Okay, so of those ones that we just did, okay, it says name the set or sets to which each number belongs to, okay? Is -6 a natural number? So those are the smallest groups. So that's the ones where I start counting at 1, 2, 3. So should I put natural for one of the number sets that classify that? No. How about a whole number? Is it a whole number? Because whole numbers have to be positive. Is it an integer? Yes. Okay, so then you can write out integer, or you can be lazy like Miss Summers and write Z. Well, I'll do both on this first one. Z is the letter we use for integers, because we're going to use I for a different one, okay? So, is it any other groups? Let me give you a hint. What happens if I do this? It's rational as well. So even these whole numbers are still rational numbers because they have that divided by 1, that invisible fraction. Okay? Yeah.
Wait, is it rational or irrational?
It's rational. Irrational are the ones I can't write as fractions. Rational are the ones I can write as fractions. Okay? And then if I gave you like a number line, could I plot -6? Could I graph that? Yeah, so it's also a real number. So that's how that one is going to classify. We doing okay? Let's do 1 or 2 more together, and then I'll have you guys try some with your neighbors, okay? 13/10.
That's real,
It's a real number. Yep. So instead of writing out real, I'm lazy. I'm going to put an R. So you can use the letters that are on your Venn diagram. Is that a rational number?
Yes.
Yep. So it's also Q. What about irrational?
No,
Why not?
I don't know. I'm just guessing.
Okay. It's the right guess. Somebody else tell me why not.
Fraction.
Because it's a fraction, and irrational numbers can't be written as fractions. That's why they have to have a symbol, like a radical or a pi, okay? And then what about integer? Is it an integer? Nope. Integers have no decimal pieces, right? What else? Is there anything else it is? No, good. Okay. Okay, try 8 and 9.
I think it's a real.
Try 8 and 9.
What is a real number? Is it just any number?
Any graphable number.
So 0 would be a real number.
0 is a real number.
Any number is graphical?
We're going to learn about a new type of number today called imaginary. That's a number that's not graphable. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry about it yet. Just try 8 and 9, please.
It's not. But it is an integer.
Is it irrational? For 8?
Which one?
8?
Is it irrational?
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
It is.
Is it a Z?
Okay, there's 8. W, Z, Q, and R.
R. Z. I needed a Q. I would have got it.
Use the Venn diagram to help. Any of the ones that are the circles, the little ones, mean all of those ones have to go to another inside it. So if I know that it's a Z and a W and an R, then I know it also has to be the Q, right? Okay. And then on this one, it's N, W, Z, Q, R. Anyone get that one right? Yay. Okay. Questions? Okay, now on number 10, you got to be careful because if I'm looking at the symbol there, at first I might think, oh, it's got a symbol, the square root, right? That it is irrational. But that actually simplifies. We have to simplify it first. Okay, so what is the square root of 81? 9. Oh no, mayday. 9. So simplify first. Okay? So then it's N, W, Z, Q, and R. You guys are getting the hang of this good. Why don't you try, I want you to try a couple more on your own, and then we'll go to the next thing. But I don't need you to do all 5. So why don't you try 14 and 15, okay? Try 14 and 15, and then we'll go over the answers. I'll walk around and answer questions, and then we'll go to the second concept for today. You guys are doing great.